kasi siguro ate siya, so feeling niya burden sa mga mas bata sa kanya. Pag i-share niya pa yung worries niya sa sarili niya, ikinkilin niya na lang. Actually, buong preparation namin for NFT, hindi siya okay. The best thing that we can do is wag na siyang, pressure na sagutin kami, na pansinin kami. Kung hindi niya feel na makipag-usap ako, kasi ayaw namin siyang ma-pressure na maging okay siya. I was actually thinking if I open this up, kasi it's also a scary thing to open your vulnerable state to everyone, kasi never know, it might be used against you. But I thought about it, and may daming mga tao na hindi nila napapag-usapan, but because of that, they felt seen and heard. If it means na I can hopefully help someone, then I will. It started with Beanie Day. Hindi ko siya in-expect.